Believe that distinguishing between democratic and authoritarian regimes is essential in any new digital order.
I'd like to see the development of something like a Schengen area among AI scientists, making it easier for AI scientists to travel between, say, Europe, the United States, Australia, Japan, South Korea, and make it easier for them to move around, share information.
But one thing that blew my mind was when AI researcher Melanie Mitchell told me that no one actually understands how AI systems like ChatGPT actually work or why they come up with the answers they do. I asked her to clarify if she really meant no one, not even the scientists who program them.
That's right. The systems are these very large computer programs that simulate sort of what are called neural networks, deep neural networks, and they have simulated neurons that have connections, that have weights, values, and they have something on the order of, billions to trillions of these weights. And that's just an unimaginable scale for humans to understand how they work, and kind of like the way we might try and understand our own brains, which we don't.
The spread of misinformation is frightening enough, but in other sectors, the threat of unrestrained AI could even be existential.
I think probably the people that are going to be most successful in the AI revolution are those who find ways to use these technologies to be more productive or be more competitive in the workplace. But for militaries, if they get this wrong, they could lose a war. Their country could, lose power on the global stage. They could be overtaken by a rival. They could be invaded.